Can you get into my eyes only without passcode? In today's tutorial, we're going to find out exactly that. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Snapchat. And once you open it up, in order to get to my eyes only, you're going to have to tap on the gallery icon to land on your memories page. Now simply head over to my eyes only. And on this page, you are going to have to enter your code to enter your My Eyes Only. There is no other option. At the bottom right, you'll find the options menu. Here, you can change passcode, or if you have forgotten your passcode, just tap on Forgot Passcode. And you're going to have to enter your Snapchat's password here to recover your code. But if you remember your code, you could just enter your code and then get into My Eyes Only. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. There is no other way to get into here, so I hope it was helpful to you. I'll catch you guys on the next one.